The absolute freedom of flying like a bird is a long-held dream of mankind. Flying FPV drones is a thrilling experience and brings you closer to this than anything else.
Today's analog video signal only offers low video quality, resulting in an overall poor FPV experience.
Although deemed an impossible task, DJI has developed a new digital FPV transmission system with low latency. The system consists of 4 highly integrated components. The lightweight and compact DJI FPV Air unit is easy to install and features an internal HD video recorder. The robust FPV HD camera features a 2.1mm lens. The FPV goggles are comfortable to wear and display the video feed in HD resolution in super smooth 120 frames per second. An integrated video recorder lets you capture what the pilot sees on the ground. The 8-channel remote controller is configurable via the FPV goggles. It also integrates the DJI HDL remote control protocol. Finally, FPV pilots can enjoy a better flying experience that combines HD image quality with low latency. The DJI digital FPV system supports 8 channels, which allows up to 8 pilots to race simultaneously. The system is incredibly durable and delivers an uninterrupted video feed even when clipping objects. An easy-to-use audience mode lets spectators join the action.
DJI really put this together as a full package thing, so you don't need to waste time trying to select the correct part, do tons of research. It's all integrated, it's all ready to go. You're good.
The DJI digital FPV system allows me to fly faster around the track with more confidence. I can finally see the other drones clearly on the track.
No matter if you are a beginner or expert, engage in an immersive HD FPV flying experience with the DJI digital FPV system.